TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 20. You get the NASDAQ off 8. S&Ps are down 4. Gold contracts up $2.40, trading at $12.2850. You have silver up 9 cents at $17.83. In both cases, particularly gold and silver, folks, and bonds, you can expect high volatility out here today. We have Janet Yellen. She just started speaking. Bottom line is that her first statement is we can't wait too long in order to hike once again. That being said, I expect what you're going to see here is that the metals still want higher price. Bonds actually want higher price, lower yield. So there's going to be a big bull-bear fight out here today. The bond, oil is up 63 cents, trading at $53.56 a barrel. You get the 10-year note down 9 ticks, 124.09. 30-year bond off 19 ticks, 150.26. King dollar's up 150 ticks, trading at 101.110. You have the euro out here at 105, and the yen is at 114.02. We get over when we take a look at the S&P. This is what's happening with the S&P. You get over the highs yesterday. Bottom line, light volume, but you're over those highs. You're trading at 232.48 right now. This would have to come all the way back inside the 228 level in order to get to sustained lower price. We'll see whether we get some volume on this move down lower today. The NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? 3 Qs out here today. Sideways move. You're down 6 cents right now. You're at 128.04. That also, we'll see whether we get an expansion of volume as we move sideways to slightly lower. Now, the small caps failed on price and volume as they got into their December 9th high. Bottom line is that they get over the high, closed underneath it, dramatically lighter volume. This gap slightly lower today. What you'd be looking for in the small caps is this. We hit a high yesterday of 23 million. If we end up doing about 30 million out here today as you get to lower price, that would set up a run all the way down to the lower part of this consolidation, which is 133.24. Now, let's go take a look at notes in real time. This is about as good as you can get. So the notes out here hit a low of 124.05. We're at 128.04 right now. This did come down on volume as soon as she starts speaking. That's on the intraday chart. This is going to need quite a bit of volume in order to break down. Why? Because you're coming into 1.8 million contracts. Bottom line is that that price level there is 124.03. It's 1.88 million contracts. We take a look at the 30-year. 30-year is the exact same type of setup. 30-year out here right now is down 21.6. You're at 150.19. 150.22 is the number to keep your eye on. This is coming back also, even with Yellen saying that sooner rather than later rates would be going up. Bottom line is that this is coming into strength of 317,000 contracts. King dollar. What do we got with King dollar? King dollar is trading at a price point out here of 101.070. You've done 13,000 contracts. King dollar still can't get the juice. That's the bottom line. This King dollar wants to get into, you're coming up to 61,000 contracts. It's failed each and every time it gets up to this level. I expect you're going to see another failure out here today. What you can expect out here today, folks, as Yellen keeps speaking, is high volatility. And what I expect you're going to see is that you're going to see the metals market reject lower price once again, bond market reject lower price, and good old King dollar reject higher price. So volatility is going to be here in spades, and we'll see where the rest of this shakes out. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.